What is that? Are those piggies?
Piggy. Can I see
No,
them?
no. Let him play with it right now, please.
Piggy.
It's in this one. It's in this one.
Piggy. Meow. Meow.
Is it a chicky or is that a rooster?
Yes. Rooster.
What does the rooster say? Are those doggies? What's this one? No. Oh, that's a duck? Yeah, but what's that?
Would you like a hamburger cookie, baby? No. Yes, baby. Corn.
You like corn?
That's all what you would like to buy? Baby. Bang whip.
What's back here?
Rainbow. You two can share this.
Thank you, Penny.
You two can share it.
Jake, what's that one?
Pink oval.
Pink oval. Good boy.
Yellow triangle.
Well, what's this? A red or orange rectangle, yeah.
Baby blue. Triangle.
No, what's that one?
Circle.
Yeah, circle.
Square.
What color is it?
It's blue.
It's blue. What is that?
Would you like to go on a picnic?
Good boy, what color is it? What color is it?
Would you like to go on
Was
a
it red?
picnic with
Yeah,
your mommy?
hold on. What's this one?
Yellow star.
Yellow star. Here's another one up here. What's that?
Diamond.
And what color is it?
Purple diamond.
Good boy.
I thought it was a kite.
Well, the diamond is in the shape of a kite. Or the kite is in the shape of a diamond, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he's flying the kite.
Has it on a string. You used to love this book, Penny. When you were a baby.
I didn't know.
It was your favorite book.
They like him. And then they like him.
Go to sleep. The doggy over there. Shh, not so loud, please. Goodness sake.
You want to see Piggy Poo? You want to see
Not
Piggy
so loud,
Poo's?
please.